Hey there, it's Christine from naturalkitchenschool.com, and on this episode of Christine's Natural Kitchen, we're making chicken soup. Chicken soup is known for being comfort food. It's the recipe moms make for their little ones when they're feeling under the weather. This easy chicken soup recipe uses a whole chicken, which gives it incredible flavor. First, we're going to make the chicken stock. Quality is everything, so I like to get my chicken pasture raised. This one came from Closter Farm and Livestock Company in Closter, New Jersey. Place a 4-pound whole chicken in a large stock pot. Add enough water to cover it. Add 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Bring to a boil over high heat. Skim off any foam that appears on the surface of the water. Reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and simmer for 2 hours. Remove the chicken from the liquid. Pour the liquid through a strainer. Pro tip: if you want to remove some of the fat from the chicken stock, let it cool completely and refrigerate it for at least an hour or longer before using. This makes it easy to skim off the fat that will rise to the top. Pull the cooked chicken meat from the bones. You can chop it using a knife or use a kitchen shears to cut it into bite-sized pieces. Now we're going to chop up the vegetables for our soup. I have 1/2 cup of chopped carrots. I'm going to peel and dice 1 cup of winter squash. You can use whatever variety you like, such as butternut. I'll need 1 small onion, diced,
1 cup of chopped turnips, one cup of chopped cabbage,
and I'm also chopping half a zucchini. In the same stock pot, layer the 1/2 cup of carrots, 1 cup of winter squash, diced onion, 2 bay leaves,
4 cups of the cubed chicken,
and 8 cups of the chicken stock. Bring this to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Simmer on low heat covered for 15 minutes.
Now add the zucchini and the cabbage.
Season with sea salt and white pepper to taste.
Cover and cook for an additional 10 minutes.
Serve as is or with optional fresh herbs like parsley, dill, or cilantro. To make the soup even heartier, you can add cooked rice or noodles. This is such a satisfying and cozy meal. I know you're going to love it. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to give me a thumbs up below. And if you're not subscribed already, be sure to subscribe so you get notified about new videos when they come out. Special shout out and thank you to Closter Farm for the pasture-raised chicken that we used in today's recipe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you the next time. Happy soup making!